Today we're going to check out another amazing product from Fifine. This is the BM88 microphone boom arm stand. Let's check what's in the box. I would like to thank Fifine for sending this product for the purpose of this review. Right here is the user guide, and I recommend that you give it a quick read before you start putting it together. This one right here is the rotatable ball head that will hold the microphone together with two Allen keys. This one right here is the desk clamp, and let me tell you, this desk clamp looks really solid. As you are tightening this clamp to your desk, this lever right here can be pulled down so you can change its position for a much better grip. This screw right here is made of stainless steel, and the body of this clamp is made of metal, so you can expect durability. The part that clamps to your desk has rubber pads on both sides, so it won't easily slip out from your desk. And lastly, let's check out this mic boom arm. I'm very impressed with the smooth matte black finish of this mic arm. And just like the desk clamp, you can expect durability because this mic boom arm is made of metal. And another thing I like about this mic boom arm is that it has a built-in cable management. The cables goes inside this mic boom arm and it goes out to each of these holes, which hides all the cables for a sleek and clean looking setup. And I'm going to show you how to do that during the installation, so make sure you stick around. Now it's time to install this mic boom arm. So my plan is to install this under my monitor, so it will just go in and out of that spot. And also, each joint of this mic boom arm has an Allen screw, which gives you the option on how tight or loose you want your boom arm to swing. Or you can just really tighten these Allen screws if you don't want your mic boom arm to move at all. And before we install the clamp, we will install the rotatable ball head to the mic boom arm. And as you loosen this adjustment right here, it will loosen the grip of this rotatable ball head to the mic boom arm as well as the ball head that holds the microphone. And as you can see that the rotatable ball head can move on any direction, which makes it easy to set up the microphone or position your microphone on whichever position you want. And to begin the installation, we're gonna set up this clamp underneath the monitor right next to the monitor stand. By the way, the maximum opening of this clamp is 2.4 inches, so make sure that the thickness of your desk does not go beyond that. It's really great that they made the lever movable and adjustable while you're tightening this clamp. It makes the installation a lot easier, especially when you're in a tight space like this. So before we attach the mic boom arm to the clamp, I'm going to show you how to hide the cables inside the mic boom arm. All you need to do is just slide the cover opposite direction if you are removing it, just like that, and so as the other one. Then all you need to do is just place the cable right on top. There's no clamp inside that will hold the cable, so just hold the cable while you're placing the cover, and when you're putting back the cover, just place it on top of the mic arm but a bit off center, placing it on the side opposite to the arrow. Then push the cover according to the direction of the arrow, and that will lock the cover in place. And that's just how easy it is to hide the cables inside the mic boom arm. And now to install the mic boom arm, this part right here will go on top of the clamp. And I'm finding that the swing of the boom arm is too loose for me, so I'm going to tighten the Allen screw from behind, and I'm gonna do the same thing on the second joint. And there's also an adjustment that allows the boom arm to go up and down. I'm going to tighten that as well so that the mic boom arm will stay in place and will not sag over time. And since I already installed my microphone to the rotatable ball head, all I need to do is just connect the cable and I'm all done. And this is my final setup. And whenever I need to use the microphone, all I need to do is just pull it out under the monitor. And when I'm done, I'm just gonna push it back under the monitor so it's out of the way. This mic boom arm is really easy to set up. It looks nice, it's durable, it's versatile, and the setup is highly customizable. So guys, this is the Fifine BM88 microphone boom arm stand. Get yours today. And thanks for watching.